second day's adventure to where?
I don't know. Grand Palace? What is that?
The great thing about living in Asia is your breakfast is going to look amazing. Look what I'm having for breakfast. So first one I have over here is chicken basil, and then we've got an omelette rice here with some spicy tom yum soup. Really fragrant basil, and it's actually quite spicy. Let's try the omelette now. There's like pork in there, and then you've got like shrimp. Amazing. Fluffy, crispy. If you love baked as well, you'll enjoy this one. This is a chicken tom yum soup. It's actually pretty good because it's got enough sourness to it, slightly more spicy than the one we had previously. We're now at the Grand Palace. The last time I've been here was like 15 years ago, and I really can't remember much from it. We're going to the train night market, Ratchada Train Night Market for some dinner. Let's go see what we can find there. We're not even halfway in there yet. I'm so hungry as well. So if I die tomorrow, for whatever reason, the last food that I must have is actually durians. Now, durians is amazing because they smell kind of weird but taste delicious. It's like a creamy custard with a bit more flavor. But I'm not gonna have any Thai durians because I'm gonna bring you to Malaysia. That's where the best durian is. So I've got here some Thai crispy pancakes, and apparently they have like coconut milk in there and some, I think these are salted egg yolk. Yeah, it is. These are salted egg yolks, and we've even got those that has shrimp. Let's try how this one tastes like. Oh. This is pretty amazing. It's sweet, a bit salty. I think it's more towards the sweet side. I think this is more like a dessert. Awesome. That's all. Of all the things that I eat, this is the one thing that I will never dare to try. Insects. Yes. Yeah, I'm a wuss for this, so no. So we've got some of these. Trying it right now. Got some water chestnut here. Yum. It's so refreshing, especially in this hot weather. Come on, let's see what else we can find. I've got with me here is some crispy crab. This is awesome because I can eat it whole. And oh my god, this is so good. And it is all day. This will be so good with, like, if you're watching a movie, just have this as a snack. That's all. Right now, let's recreate the omelette rice I had for breakfast. Over here, we've got some dried shrimps, then some ground pork or minced pork. You can use turkey mince as well. And we've got some eggs, of course, spring onions for garnishing, our sweet chili paste, some white pepper powder, fish sauce, and some oil for frying. Now, first thing you want to do is to crack the eggs. There you go. First egg done. Get a fork, poke the egg yolks, and then just start with this rigorously for about, I would say 30 seconds. So you get all the air bubbles going in so that you can get like a nice fluffy egg. I'll be adding a dash of white pepper. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of fish sauce. And mix that again. Now this is where you add the pork in. And then we'll add the dried shrimps as well, a handful of them. And then just give this a nice mix again. And that's it. Let's heat up the wok. I like to use a nice curvy wok because it's a lot easier to make this omelette. But if you got like a flat pan, it's fine as well. Just make sure you oil it enough. Add about, I would say, 1/2 cup of oil. How do you know if your wok is hot enough? It's just by dipping in the egg and then just drop a tiny drop to it. And if it starts sizzling like this, then you know it's ready to pour this in. Let me just grab this to drain the egg in a bit. Once it's almost done, get a plate, kitchen roll, about 2 pieces to drain. This is to drain the excess oil away. Put it on a plate. So right now we're gonna just flip it over. Oh no! Fail! We're gonna take the egg out now. That's the first one done. Look at it, amazing. Now I'm gonna attempt to make my plating beautiful. What I have here is a banana leaf, a coconut bowl, and a spoon. Now, there we go. I've made some rice over here. Now this omelette has to go with some rice. Now let's take a good scoop of rice over here and then pop it into the bowl. Our sweet chili paste in. Oh, it looks beautiful. Got this one, put it over here. I'm just gonna use some spring onion.
Wow!
Right now is the part that I love most of all my cooking videos. Wow, look at that. I'll put it to my rice. Big, nice sweet chili paste on top. And tuck in. Yum. It's savory, it's juicy, it's fluffy, it's crispy. Oh my god. This is so awesome. I can have this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, tea, and it's so simple to make. I think if you're on a budget, this is the perfect meal as well. So that's my omelette rice for this week. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you got anything that you want me to create, just comment right down below. Remember, you really have to try this. It's so simple to make and it's delicious. Right, see you next time. Bye.